we got this question. Let S be the focus of the parabola this. Okay. PQ be the common chord, okay, of the circle this and this. Then the area of the triangle PQS. Okay. Now suppose that this is the circle. Suppose, and this is the parabola. Okay. Okay. So look at this. So if it is parabola, so you know that these guys are talking about focus. So focus is what? You know that this is right side opening parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. So focus is at 2, 0. Okay. Now look at this. PQ is a common chord. This means this chord they are talking about. Okay. So can I say that, sir, we have to find out the common point between this parabola and this circle? Just tell me. This means that these 2 points are common in both circle and the parabola. So what I am trying to do, just take a point, because right now you cannot substitute here. If you substitute value of x, yes, we can do that. Yes, we can do that. So can I find value of x from equation of parabola? So x will be equal to what? Y square by 8 है ना. Now substitute your value of x in circle equation. So circle is what? Y square, sorry, x square. So it will become y power 4 and 64 plus y square minus 2 x as y square by 8, okay, minus 4y equals to 0. Correct? Now can I take y common? Just look at this, what will happen. So if you'll take y common, we will be left with whom? Y cube by 64 plus y minus y by 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Now look at this. Now you have to factorize this part. So y cube by 64 minus, it will become plus. So 4y minus y. So 3y by 4 minus 4. Correct? Now let's factorize. So we can take LCM as 64. So y into y cube 48y, okay, and then 64 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 64 4. So it is 256. Correct? Now look at this. So if you will observe now, again it is cubic polynomial. Correct? So you have to find out value of y. Okay, then only you can factorize. So which value will be okay? So 2 cube 9 4 4. Yes, 4 we can go with 4. Okay, means you have to substitute. So it is 4 into 4. So it is 64, and this 48 into 4. Okay, so it is 192. So if you'll add, it will become 65, 256. Yes, So y equal to 4 is yes. Now y, so y equal to 4, so y minus 4 3 times, y minus 4, y minus 4. Okay, now you have to balance, so it is y square. Now look at this, so it is y cube, but it is minus of 4y square, so plus of 4y, correct? Because we don't need minus of 4y square now, so plus of 4y square will neutralize. Now minus of 16. Okay, so we have created minus of 16y, so and we have to create 48, correct now? So we need 64, so can I go with plus 64y? Okay, 64y, and then you will have minus of 56, correct? So if you write this thing as, you will be having y minus 4 and then y square plus 4y plus 64 is equal to 0. So now look at this, if you will factorize this thing, you will have d less than 0, means here you will not have any real point. Okay, so we got value of y as 0 and 4. Now look at this, so suppose y is 0, suppose y is 0, so x will also become 0, है ना? Now suppose y is 0 in this, now next value of y is what? 4. Okay, so 4 is 16 8x, so it is 2. Okay, so next point will become x equals to 2 and y equals to 4. Okay, S be the focus, PQS. Okay, PQ be the common chord. So suppose we got what points here? 2 and 4, yes, sahi. P is okay, Q is okay, S is okay. So we got all 3 points. We got P as 0, 0, yes, Q as 2, 4, Q as 2, 4, and S as 2, 0. So we got 3 points. Now they are interested in finding area of this triangle. So you know that area of triangle we used to find as area of triangle. So look at this, if you try to drop this triangle, this is 0, 0, है ना? This is 2, 0 on x-axis only, and then it is above x, so it is 4 unit, so it is 2, 4, so it is making right angle triangle, correct na? So if we are not able to make right angle triangle, I'll go with the formula. Okay, so it is right angle triangle, so I'll go with this half into base. Base is what? 2 unit, and height is what? 4 unit. Okay, so it is 4 square unit. Okay, I hope you guys are comfortable with this question now.